Hello everyone, welcome you all to Polynomials part 4 of Easy Maths Learning YouTube channel, and today we are going to see the various formula that is there in polynomials and how that could be applied in the problems. So moving on to the next section, which is the important formula. These are some of the important formula that you should know. X plus y the whole square is x square plus 2xy plus y square, and if it is minus, then you put a minus in the middle term, and this one x square minus y square, it is nothing but x plus y and then x minus y, then x plus a into x plus b. If you use a constant here, what happens is x and x square will be there, and the two constants a and b will be ab, and the term will be a plus b into x, and then x plus y plus z the whole square is x square, y square, z square, and all the terms will be twice, 2 into xy, then the second and the third yz, and the first and the third term. Now x plus y the whole cube will be x cube plus y cube plus 3xy, and the term x plus y, whatever is there, that will be there. And x minus y whole cube, which is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy, x minus y. X plus y, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy is x plus y plus z, that is one term, and then the remaining will be x square plus y square z square minus xy minus yc and minus zx. In the last formula, if your x plus y plus z is going to become 0, 0 multiplied by the other factor, the whole thing becomes 0. So the whole of the right hand side becomes 0, and this minus 3x will come to the right side. So x cube plus y cube z cube will be equal to 3xyz. Only in the condition that the x plus y plus z, if that term is 0, then it will be this way. And by applying these formulas in the questions, we can easily solve the problems. I have taken 3 set of questions which are of different categories. Let's take the first one and solve it. Yeah, compute the value of 9x square plus 4y square if xy equal to 6 and 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So if you look at the numbers 3x and 9x square, they are the squares of each other, and 2y is 4y square. 2y the whole square is 4y square. So there are, each term is nothing but the square of the other one. So the easy way to start with is we'll go the given condition 3x plus 2y equal to 12, 3x plus 2y equal to 12, and we are going to square it on both the sides. When you square it on both the sides, it will be, we are going to apply the first formula, x plus y the whole square is x square plus y square. Here y is nothing but 2y, so it is 4y square plus 2 into xy. X is nothing but 3x here, into y is 2y equal to 12 square is 144. And this term I am not going to disturb, I will have it as such. And 2 into 3 into 2, let's multiply all the constants. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12, so it is 12 into xy equal to 144. And this term I am not going to disturb it because that is what is asked in the question. and for xy the value is given to us, xy equal to 6, that can be substituted here. Twelve into 6 is 72. This value is untouched. I am simply rewriting it from the previous step. Now bring the constant 72 to the right side. 9x square plus 4y square is what we are asked to find in the question. That can be taken on the left hand side, and 72, let's bring it to the right side. It is 144 minus 72. This is nothing but 72. So the answer for this question, 9x square plus 4y square, is 72. So this is how we have to apply the formula and solve it in the first problem. Let's move on to the second problem. Calculate the perimeter of the rectangle whose area is 25x square minus 35x plus 12. Okay, perimeter and the area is this. First of all, for the perimeter, the formula is perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Area of a rectangle is L into B. Okay, we are given the area, so it is a quadratic expression, 25x square minus 35x plus 12. So whenever we are given a polynomial of degree 2, then the way is you take the constant and the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 25 and the constant is 12. That we will multiply, and by adding or subtracting you should get the middle term, which is minus 35 here. So normally people tend to directly multiply it and get a huge number, like for example this 25 into 12 is 300, and then further you try to split them into two different factors, but that is quite time taking. The easiest way will be, first we split the term 25, which is 5 into 5, and then this 12 is 4 into 3, and then by grouping you can try to examine if you can get 35. Like in this case 5 into 4 is 20, that is one number, and 5 into 3 is 15, which is another number. And now I want minus 35, so just by adding these minus 20 and minus 15 I'll get minus 35. So in this way we can split the middle term, and now I'm going to rewrite that in the expression, 25x square minus 20x minus 15x. Yeah, the middle term is now split, and then I'm writing the constant as it is, 12. Now between these two terms we have to pick out the common thing, the common thing that we have in these two is 5x, and inside 5x will be there, so that when you multiply 5x into 5x will be, you will get 25x square, and then here minus 4. Now the common thing between these two is 3, 5x minus 4. Always the middle term will be the same in both the cases. Write the common term once, 5x minus 4, and the uncommon thing you have to write it 5x minus 3. So this is nothing but the area of the rectangle. But the problem doesn't stop with this. We are asked to find the perimeter. So on evaluating this, the first term 5x minus 4 will be the length and 5x minus 3 will be the breadth. Now to find the perimeter, which is P is equal to 2 into L plus B. And by the previous step, we have already found out the L value and the B value. We have to simply replace it here. Perimeter will be equal to 2 times length. L is nothing but 5x minus 4 plus B. Breadth is 5x minus 3. Now 5x 2 times, so I will put 10x. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Now if I multiply that further, 2 into 10 is 20x and 2 into 4 is 7 is 14. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle which is asked in the question. This is what we have to find out. Okay. And next problem, find the value of x cube plus y cube. If x square, y square, z square is 83 and x plus y plus z is 15. I want you to try this sum and give me the answer. Please give the answer in the comments. And in case you are having any issues, you can also post your problems or the hiccups that you have in the comments, which I'll be able to help you. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to the channel, Easy Maths Learning YouTube channel, if you find it useful. Your support means a lot to us, and please spread the word to others. Thanks for watching.